I said, I think it's time for me to talk about my life growing up as a Mexican child. You know, and probably some of the stuff will be some stuff that my beautiful viewers out there can relate to. So do y'all want to listen?
You really gonna fucking put your hand on? What the fuck are you watching?
I funny, dog. You gotta watch it. I thought this was pretty funny.
It is Nick.
She's straight in there. We should have been at that instead of being pregnant. Right?
Yeah, that was like fish. Oh, cool.
Pretty tight, huh?
Yeah.
Rich white boys. Dog, what the fuck? Record yourself.
Why not? It's funny.
You should record yourself.
You're gay, dude.
Hey, I don't like
Just say you're
cameras,
gay.
dog.
Huh?
I don't like cameras.
Dude, nobody's gonna see it but my friend.
Bro,
Karina.
I don't know.
Dude, I'm... Alright, that's the face I wanted you to see.